In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your YouTube search history and all the settings involved. So if you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So let's do this. Let's tap on our profile here. And on here, all we do is we tap on the setting button here. Good. On setting, we just manage all history. We tap on that to load a new page. And you can see this is our YouTube history here. So you can choose to automatically delete all your history, and you can even choose to unsave it by tapping on the saving your watch history. And you can also choose to select some of them and then delete them. So you can see this what I've watched, what I've viewed, and the rest here. So you just tap on this here to just delete it one by one easy. Yeah. So you can automatically delete everything with the auto delete, and you can also pause your watch history too as well. So that's it on how you clear your YouTube history. If you are new here, give me a like, just subscribe to my channel. That's it. Peace.